Are you always feeling exercises in your back? You could be doing something for your arms, back, chest, legs, and you're always feeling that big pinch right there in the back. You might be trying to stabilize with your spine instead of stabilizing with your core. You'll know that if the first thing that you do is lock out. You're locking out that spine, getting yourself into this lordosis right here, this little curve of the lower back, and that's causing you pain. Swipe right to check out our next best fixes for that, and then apply them to those exercises. First, learn how to do a dead bug properly. What we're going to do is lie down on our back, get our knees up in the air here to 90 degrees, and then set our lower back to the floor, drawing in the belly button. We want to go opposite arm and leg out as far as you can while keeping that lower back steady without any movement at the pelvis. If you feel yourself dip, tilt, or twist, the rep needs to be held or you need to pull it back a little bit. Next, we're going to work on our bird dog, and we're going to keep this neutral spine between ears, shoulders, and hips the entire time. Draw in your belly button again, and then come out with the opposite arm and leg as you stay steady. Hold that for just a moment. Don't move in space at all as you go to the opposite leg and arm. Now we'll go to a stabilizing push-up. We're going to have our hands at 90 degrees here, with one hand pointed out, one hand pointed in, hips level with shoulders, neutral pelvic tilt, belly button in, and we're working our abdomen nice and steady in that isometric form, really getting to understand where a neutral pelvis is. Try these tips and tricks to support your neutral spine as you're doing these other workouts, because after all, the idea of a stable core is to support dynamic and fluid motion.